Let's see how to change a small letter into capital in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to change this paragraph into certain parts that have capital letters. So what we can do is highlight our text. Now click on the Home tab, and right here under the font section, you'll see this option. And when you click it, you'll see that you have the option to change it into a sentence case, a lowercase, an uppercase, a capitalize each word, or the opposite, which is a toggle case where the first letter is small letter and the other letters are capital letters. So if you want to change each word into capital letter, simply click on capitalize each word, and that should change your text and have it capitalize starting letter of each word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.